Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and a brand new UK hotel room tour. We have currently arrived into London. We are at the Travelodge Covent Garden in a twin room. It's down Drury Lane. So let's get in the room for 255 and I'll show you around. Once we're in the room, on the back of the door, as always, you've got your sort of fire evacuation plan. You've got a couple of things on the back of the door. Now they don't do a full room cleaning apparently, but we can put it out and they will apparently top us up. We've got the temperature controls on the wall, which are currently off. I'll leave that off for now. It's a shower, stand-up shower, which will be quite good. We've got quite a nice, clean, fresh looking shower curtain. I've got a hair and body wash. I think that's actually plastic. I don't think that's tile. I'll have to figure the shower out. You've got your hand wash, your sink, your toilet, plenty of toilet roll, big mirror. So we've just come out of the bathroom and opposite we've used all this little space for our luggage. Now, as I said, we have a twin room and it's actually really nice because it's actually twin beds. It's not some sort of double fold out bed situation. So we'll come up here. So we've got light switches. So you've got your reading light. I believe this will probably light up. It does. And then we've got some USB chargers there, and then the same on the other side. Got towels on the bed, which I've not normally seen before, and then you've got this little TV on the wall. Over here in the corner of the room, you've got a mirror, and then you've got a little chair, which does look quite comfortable. And then in this corner, you've got your little wardrobe, you've got some spare pillows, you've got a little, I'm assuming it's a little tabletop ironing board, it's actually just on a wee hook. And then you've got your iron here along with one double plug. You've then got another double plug here on the desk area along with another couple of USBs. You've got your little light switch, which does work. You've got your tea and coffee right here along with things for, of course, the cafe and the bar. In this hotel, it's open 24 hours a day. They serve alcohol till 3:30 in the morning. Desk chair. Oh, there's a recycling bin and a normal one. And then another double USB here. Oh, I guess only one switch turns off this. And there's the mirror. And finally the view. So it's kind of a double window situation, but we overlook Drury Lane. Obviously we will close that later. Down there in the window of this place, they had some very nice looking donuts. And that's Drury Lane. And that is it for this little room tour of the Travelodge at Covent Garden and a twin room. We actually walked from Euston Station here, which took about 20-25 minutes, but we only walked it because the underground is having strikes today. So we would have struggled basically, and especially with our suitcases too. So I hope you've enjoyed this little room tour. Please do give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Comment down below, as always, if you stayed here before. Everyone loves a Travelodge, and as you can tell, this is one of the newer ones because usually, well, this is a newer design one. Normally Travelodges are all quite plain and quite white, but this is a new design one, very nice. And that's it. Hit the big red subscribe button, tinkle the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And that's it. I've been Disney Matt. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.